Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aparna Ashtaputra Shisodi, and today I'll be talking about ideal self and real self. In this journey of understanding self, we have seen self-concept, self-esteem, self-respect, right? And now today we'll be talking about what is this real self and ideal self and how these two are going to affect our personality and the way we behave. This ideal self is something we want to be, what I want to be like. This is the image that we form for ourselves that we want. Actually, we are not, but we want to be. Like a person who wants to pursue his career in singing can have a self idol of singing like Lata Mangeshkar or Asha Bhosle or anyone for that matter. So, that is her or his ideal self. A person like whom we want to be, or what are the characteristics that we want in our personality, that all together form up our ideal self. And the real self is actually what we are. Now, knowing this too is very important. What are my expectations from myself, or what do I expect the traits in my personality, the qualities in my personality, and the amount that I have right now. The person, as the same example I will continue, wants to have a singing career. The person may be having a good voice and a singing quality and all the efforts, the skills they are taking, but want to be like someone like Lata Mangeshkar for example. So, the difference between being singing right now is the real self, and want to become like Lata Mangeshkar becomes an ideal self. Now, this real self and ideal self, their quality are not very different. The difference is in the intensity. It is on the continuum where you can improve. The more you improve, you move towards your ideal self. And this is something where the difficulty comes up. If your ideal self and real self are together, are overlapping each other, then the progress you can see, you have positive attitude, achievements are there. But if the ideal self and real self, these two are apart, the more apart they are, the more frustration is there, the more failure is there. So, we need to first find out what is my ideal self. So, again what we have to do, take a pen and paper and write it down. What qualities I want in me, right? And we can again have one more column on the scale, like from out of 10 how much amount of that quality I want in me. Like I want to have a confidence, or I want I should speak like this person, or I should have the courage like that. So, these are certain things that many people want in them, or they have, but they want more of them. So, how much more? We need to quantify it. Unless and until we quantify it, we cannot achieve it, or once if we achieve also, if it is not measurable, it don't gives us the feeling of achievement. Okay. So, what I want in me, we have to write it down, and the amount also. Then keep that aside, take a fresh paper and write how much qualities I have in me. That we have already, I think we have done in previous videos. If you have done the activities, you might have that paper with you, you can just take out. If not, then do this and check how many qualities are overlapping each other. If they are overlapping each other, congratulations, because you are on the right track. Only thing now what you have to do is increase the intensity. If here the singing is on 5 and you want it on 10, though you have to just increase it. Now the things become quite clear that I want to go in this direction because I want this. I want this quality, I have this much. So, ideal self and real self, the more they are together, the more achievements we have. Again, the more achievements we have, more positive self concept, more positive self concept, more positivity and confidence we have. So this is a circle. We cannot have one good and not the other one is not good. This will not work. This is a circle. So once if one thing is getting better, the other is also affected in a better way, and the overall things becomes more better. So this can be done, and we can have this ideal and real self together. If you do this, definitely we will take one more step ahead in our mental peace. All the best for doing this. In next video, we will have few therapies to understand, to learn. So keep watching the videos. Thank you very much.